Syria is known for its rich and flavorful cuisine, which blends Arabic, Mediterranean, and Ottoman influences. Here are some of the most famous dishes from Syria that showcase the country's culinary traditions. 1. Kibbeh. A dish made from ground meat, usually lamb or beef, mixed with bulgur wheat, onions, and spices. It can be baked, fried, or served raw. Kibbeh naya. Why it's famous. Kibbeh is considered the national dish of Syria and is often served during special occasions and gatherings. 2. Fattoush, fresh salad made with mixed greens, like lettuce and parsley, tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, and crispy pieces of toasted or fried pita bread, dressed in olive oil, lemon juice, and sumac. Fattoush is a refreshing and flavorful salad commonly served as part of a meze spread. 3. Tabbouleh. A salad made with finely chopped parsley, bulgur wheat, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and mint, dressed with lemon juice and olive oil. Tabbouleh is one of the most well-known dishes of Syrian cuisine, loved for its light, fresh, and zesty flavors. 4. Shawarma, thinly sliced meat, usually lamb, chicken, or beef, that's marinated in a blend of spices and cooked on a vertical rotisserie. It is typically served in pita or flatbread with vegetables and garlic sauce. Shawarma is one of Syria's most popular street foods, often enjoyed as a quick meal on the go. 5. Baba ganoush, a smoky eggplant dip made from roasted eggplant, tahini, sesame paste, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil. Baba ganoush is a common meze dish served with pita bread, offering a creamy and flavorful contrast to other Middle Eastern dips. 6. Makdous, baby eggplants stuffed with a mixture of walnuts, garlic, and olive oil, then preserved in jars. Makdous is a popular dish for breakfast or as part of a meze, offering a unique and tangy flavor from the fermentation process. 7. Mujadara, a comforting dish made with lentils, rice, or bulgur, and caramelized onions, seasoned with cumin and olive oil. Mujadara is a traditional, hearty dish often served with yogurt or salad and is a staple in Syrian homes. 8. Samak meshwi, grilled fish, often seasoned with olive oil, garlic, and lemon, and sometimes topped with tahini sauce. Syria's coastal regions have a rich seafood tradition, and samak meshwi is a popular dish for its fresh flavors and simple preparation. 9. Warak anab, stuffed grape leaves. Grape leaves stuffed with a mixture of rice, ground meat, usually lamb or beef, tomatoes, onions, and spices, and then cooked in olive oil and lemon juice. These stuffed grape leaves are a beloved dish throughout Syria, often served as part of a meze or as a main course. 10. Aleppo-style kebabs, ground meat, usually lamb, mixed with onions, herbs, and spices, formed into skewers and grilled. Syria's cuisine is deeply connected to its history and culture, with a focus on fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and a variety of spices. Whether you're enjoying savory dishes like kebabs and kibbeh or indulging in sweet treats, Syrian food offers something for every palate.